guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl MBD. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. If it's your first time hopping on this channel, I hope that you like this video and please do subscribe and become part of the gang. Okay. Thank you so much guys for clicking on my video. In today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing. I would just like to give a special shout out to Coee bags. So Coee bags is a Chinese-based company. They sell really affordable bags and shoes. So if you'd like to check them out, I'm going to leave the link to their website down below. I'm also going to leave the link to their WhatsApp so that you can have better communication, you know, and just be talking to someone who can assist you on things that you might not understand about replica items. So I'm going to leave everything down below, and of course I have a special discount code for you guys. So my discount code is RUMBI for 13% off, so you can get 13% off on any purchase by using my discount code RUMBI. Simple as that. 13% off. Okay, isn't that value for your money? So guys, let's get straight to the unboxing. Oh my god, my hair looks a bit weird. Anyway, this is the YSL Opyum 11 centimeters. Comes in this box. Wow, so it comes in this box. How cute. Black box. So when you open the box, the first thing that you get is your bag. This is like your shopping bag, also written Saint Laurent Paris. The next thing is your dust bag, also written Saint Laurent. It's cute. And then in the same box you get your, it's just your certificate, I guess. It's just a card. Then here's how it looks at the back. Let me show you again in the front. It just says YSL. I don't know how to pronounce the first one. I don't know. So this is how it looks. And also, before we get to the shoes, one thing that I really loved is that they give you a pair of tips. So if it happens by any chance that you lose either of your tips, you can just replace with this one. Is it focusing? Yeah, there you go. So this is how it looks. Let me actually take it out of the plastic. This is how it looks. Can you please just focus on this thing if it doesn't want to focus? Anyway, so let's get to the shoes. I'm so excited. They're so cute. I could just scream. Okay, so moment of silence for the shoes. So this is how the shoes look like. Stunning. I love them so much. So these are a size 38. I'm a UK 5, so a 38 is a perfect size. Can you guys see? 38 is a perfect fit for me, and the heel really doesn't look that long, but once you wear them you can feel like, girl, But I love them. I'm so obsessed. I went for the color black. You can get the heel can be in gold or silver, I think, but I opted for black because who doesn't love a black shoe, an all black shoe? So this is how the shoe looks like. Stunning, guys. Love it. They're so super cute. So this is how they look like. They look a bit dirty because I was trying them on, but yeah, stunning, right? I love them. I can't wait to rock these shoes. I would wear those on a date night, romantic date night, or somewhere you know, somewhere where you don't have to be like walking for a distance. I would rock this there. But yeah, this is how the shoe looks like. I love the quality. I love the band. It's not like those small strip bands, and you can also get support from this belt. But yeah, I can't wait to rock this. Please comment down below what you guys think of these shoes. Would you rock theirs, and where would you wear them? But yeah, this is how they look. Stunning, right? But yeah, I'm gonna leave everything down below. Please check them out, and don't forget to use my discount code if you purchase. That's RUMBI for 13% off on any purchase. Okay, If you made it this far, I love you guys so much. Oh, I forgot to rate the shoes. So I would give these shoes a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 because they are so cute. And yeah, thank you so much to coeebags for sending me these cute shoes. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Thanks so much for always showing support. I love you guys, and I'll see you on my next unboxing. Bye.